Madam Speaker, Honorable Prime Minister, Honorable Leader of the Opposition, and Honorable Members of the House. Please allow me to commend and congratulate the Honorable Minister for Finance for the 2016 to 2017 national budget that he delivered on the 22nd of June 2016. I join my fellow colleagues in supporting the budget. The budget, Madam Speaker, is based on the theme of a broad-based growth and support the welfare of the disadvantaged. Madam Speaker, I will briefly focus on the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and National Disaster Management, while my Minister will speak in detail on our two ministries. Madam Speaker, the Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and National Disaster Management is in full support of the budget, more so on the emphasis that the budget has placed on priority areas of focus, which include education, health, infrastructure development and public utilities, water and sewage, energy and electricity, information, communication and technology, agriculture, fisheries, forestry, climate change, women and children, youth and sports. These areas, Madam Speaker, complement the priorities on rural and maritime development that promote integration of government policies, ensuring a productive, progressive, safe and resilient communities in Fiji. The Ministry of Rural and Maritime Development and National Disaster Management is mandated to manage and coordinate government's effort in rural and maritime development programs under the Integrated Rural Development Framework and supports the Bill of Rights provisions and sponsors in the 2018 Constitution. Madam Speaker, the estimated expansion of the domestic economy by 4.2% in 2015